No, they don't want to see me rise. No, they just want to see me fall. When I've been giving my all, I'm just gonna do it my way. My own way, my own way. I'm just gonna do it my way.
Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to use your Screencast-O-Matic screen recorder. If you try doing this, Screencast-O-Matic, the reason it don't work is you need to go to this website where you download it. When you download it from, go to screencast-O-Matic.com. And then you need to sign up or log in, but you can sign up. I'm going to be signing up with my Google. So I'm going to select this one. And then I just log in because I've already got one. And there you go. And then you need to click Start Recorder. And then it's going to come up like that. Look, now it's going to like the webcam part. Look, you can't do both. Oh, actually you can. I didn't know that. But the reason I don't use it, it's got watermark. It does. And look, your webcam can be here. Look, it can be anywhere. So that's how you open it. You just need to get your own account, and that's it. So, bye.